My name is Preston Fox. I work for Quality Craftsmen. Been here for almost a year now. Each and every day that I come to work, I really love what we do as a company. It's nice to actually have a product and a service that makes a huge difference in people's lives. I remember working with a woman named Sue Griffin, who was just, blessed. She had some money coming in from a death of a relative, but was really needed a really nice shower to get in and out of. And we were able to help her out with not just one, but 2 showers. So she thought she could never afford it in her wildest dreams. And it was nice to actually be able to provide a product and a service for her that, while she was a little bit hesitant at first, pricing and the product matched up for what she needed, and she had a great experience with our company. So, why I like to come to work every single day is because we're consistent in what we do, we're consistent in what we promise, and we can deliver on those promises. And that's why I like working here at Quality Craftsmen.